Welcome to Home of Math, Variables and Expressions, Chapter 1. This is the first part. First question. Write an algebraic expression for the each variable expression. Number A. 10 less than 1/4 the cube of p. So first 10 less than, it means 10 is smaller than 1/4 the cube of p. 1/4 and cube of p, it means 1/4 p cube minus 10. This is our first question answer. It's a. Number B. Twice the difference between x and 16. Twice the difference between x and 16. So first difference between x and 16. X minus 16. It's a difference. Okay. Then twice. So it means 2 times x minus 6. This is a number B. Number C. 4 times the sum of a number and 3. 4 times. Look, it's a one important things. 4 times what? The sum of a number and 3. Sum of a number. So we think the sum of a number is n, then plus 3, then 4 times. Okay. This is a number C. 4 times n plus 3. Okay. Again, 4 times a number increase by 3. Look, number C and number D is not same. Here is 4 times the number of 4 times the sum of a number and 3 sum. So n plus 3 is a sum. But here is 4 times a number increased by 3. So 4 times a number, we think the number is n, then 4 times and increased by 3. It means plus 3. This is our number D. Okay. Hope you are clear. Number 2. Mr. and Mrs. John are taking their 3 children to an amusement park. The admission is a dollars per adult, $. Okay, per person need $. $3 per children, and the cost of each ride is $R per person. So here is 3 things. A, per person, adult. C, per dollar, per child, 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 and R is ride per person. Okay. So first question is, write an expression for the cost of admission plus 10 rides for the family. Okay. So we need to make an expression. So adult, how many person? 2 person, Mr. and Mrs. John. So each person $. So 2 person to $. Okay. Then plus 2 child, not 3 child. 3 child means per child $3. It means 3 child 3C dollar plus admission plus 10 rides for the family. So they purchased 10 rides tickets for family, so it will become 10 R. Okay, this is our first question expression. Number B, find the cost of admission plus 10 rides if the admission per adult $10. Per person, A means what? A means 20. The admission per child $12. It means C equals to 12. And the cost of each ride is $8. So R means 8. So what will be the cost? Look, 2 times A means 20 plus 3C. 3 times C means 12 plus 10R. R means 8. So what will be the answer? 2 times 20 it means 40 plus 3 times 12 means 36 plus 10 times 8 means 80. So 600, it will become 6. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 4 means 15. So the result is, answer is what? A 2A plus 3C plus 10R, and B is a $156. Okay, so hope you understand this one. It's a very nice and important math for examination. You need more practice at home. If you have any question, just put on your comments at comments box, and if you think this video is helping for you and this channel will help you, so don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.